welcome back to our daily news. I'm Mackenzie Capel.
And I'm Sydney Woodall. Today is Wednesday, the 27th, 2025. Let's start the day off with a fun joke.
Why don't skeletons ever fight each other?
Why?
Because they don't have the guts.
That was a good one, Mackenzie, but we have lots of information for you guys today, so let's get right into it.
Talk about the lunches for today and tomorrow.
Yes, today we'll have Big Daddy cheese pizza, and tomorrow there's a popular and good barbecue pulled pork sandwich.
Wow, that sounds really good, but if that doesn't sound as good to you, there is a nice salad or buffalo chicken wrap.
Both meals sound really good, and I hope everyone enjoys it. Now we'll talk about birthdays.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday.
Usually we will do our birthday shout-outs during the segment, but there are no birthdays today.
Any student that does not want a birthday shout-out, please fill out this form.
Yes, anyone that does not fill out this form and your birthdays fall during this school year, you will get a birthday shout-out.
Again, anyone that does not want a birthday shout-out, please fill out this form.
Now let's check out the weather.
Wow, looks like such a nice day outside today.
Yeah, it does. Perfect weather for an outside adventure.
I agree. Let's get on with our forecast for today. We can expect a pleasant 59 degrees in the morning and a comfortable 66 in the afternoon. Don't forget your sunscreen today. The UV rays are expected to be extra strong around 1 p.m.
I don't know if you're going to be needing any sunscreen later today, but I do know that you can expect a spectacular temperature of 67 and a cooler 65 degrees tonight.
Wow, seems like a great day for weather. Get outside and make the most of this beautiful day.
Today's current events is the wildfires in New Mexico.
How do wildfires start?
Wildfires start because of human activity, fireworks, equipment used, and campfires, to name a few. Nature also starts wildfires. Lightning and volcanic activity are too.
Oh dear, I hope everyone is safe, and I don't think anyone will go there for vacation.
Yeah, I hope everyone is safe.
Last week on Monday, August 18th, the Leeward 8th grade football team defeated Avon by a score of 20-14. Scoring for the Shoremen were Tyler Erlinger, Ethan Peckoff, and Tommy Glia.
All 52 members contributed to the win.
The Shoremen played their second game of the season today after school against Amherst at Avon Middle School at 5:45. Hope to see you there.
Well, Learwood, that's a wrap for today's news, but 8th graders, do not forget the DC meeting tonight at the high school PAC.
Yes, very important information will be getting shared, so make sure you are there.
Also, the Maroon volleyball team will be playing Avon tonight.
That's all from us today. Thanks for tuning in.
And don't forget to be ready, be responsible, be respectful, and always stay classy, Learwood!